It is desirable to start accustoming to the tray as early as possible. If the kids are next to the mother, then, observing her behavior, they themselves will quickly enough learn to go to the toilet where they should. Already from the age of 1 month, kittens are able to repeat the actions of their parents. Therefore, the question of how to accustom a kitten to a tray, if the parent is nearby, is usually not worth it. If the kitten is deprived of mother's care, the owner will have to teach the baby. Cats are clean animals. Therefore, as soon as the kitten understands what is required of him, he will willingly use the tray. The learning process usually takes from a few days to 2 to 3 weeks. You just need to be patient and have some treats. After all, Pavlov also proved that positive reinforcement of the right actions accelerates the formation of a reflex. Therefore, do not forget to praise the kitten for a successful visit to the tray and do not punish if there was a miss. So the Fluffy will begin to be afraid of the tray and each time will try to do things in a more secluded place where it will be difficult for you to get to. It is advisable to train a kitten to a tray in several stages. Let's consider this process in more detail. How to train a kitten to the tray, recommendations from experienced breeders. First of all, no screaming in, especially physical punishments. The best way to get the desired behavior from your pet is affection and gentle perseverance. Here are some tips from experts that will help in the important and delicate matter of toilet training a kitten. First of all, choose the right tray. If you take too big, then the baby will be uncomfortable in it. You can choose models with fairly high sides, since kittens often actively scoop up feces. One side of the tray must be lowered so that it is convenient for the kitten to climb into it. If accessing the litter box is difficult, the Fluffy can empty himself next to or in another place that seems more accessible and comfortable. To let your kitten know what you're up to, put him in the tray after eating or when he shows signs of anxiety. Take his paw and start gently digging out the granulate. The main thing is to catch the moment when the baby wants to go to the toilet. Otherwise, he may mistake the digging procedure for a new game. Be sure to let the kitten sniff the tray filler. Explore a new object from all sides. If the baby starts digging himself, you are one step away from success. Repeat the procedure with sitting in the tray several times a day, after eating and waking up. It is at this time that pets have a desire to go to the toilet. If you notice that before you make a puddle or a pile, your pet starts to worry, scrape the floor with your paw. Transfer it to the tray and gently hold it there until it does all its business. For success, praise and give a treat. Repeat the procedure more often so that the kitten understands what to do with the tray. However, it happens that a puddle or a bunch appeared in an unintended place. What to do? In the presence of the culprit, collect everything with a napkin and transfer it to the toilet. Leave it there for a while. Next time, it will be easier for the kitten to understand by the smell exactly where to urinate. The learning process can take up to several weeks. If the baby stubbornly refuses to visit the tray, it may be inconvenient for him to climb into it. The place for the tray was chosen unsuccessfully, or he does not like the filler. Try to change the filler and install the tray where the pet is most often naughty. When he is accustomed to the tray, gradually move him to a place convenient for you. At the same time, the former toilet places must be thoroughly washed and treated with a special agent to scare away cats. It has an unpleasant smell for cats, so the pet will avoid the treated area. Similar litter box training methods can be used for large kittens and adult pets. However, in this case, the process may be longer and have its own characteristics.